Hello guys, welcome to my channel Action Verbs in English with sentences. Let's start. I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am kicking.
I am kicking.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am studying.
I am studying.
I am fishing.
I am fishing.
I am mopping.
I am mopping.
I am reading newspaper.
I am reading newspaper.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am cooking.
I am cooking.
I am crying.
I am crying.
I am sick.
I am sick.
I am running.
I am running.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am vacuuming.
I am vacuuming.
I am enjoy shopping.
I am enjoy shopping.
I am magician.
I am magician.
I am farmer.
I am farmer.
I am scientist.
I am scientist.
I am cleaning.
I am cleaning.
I am coloring.
I am coloring.
I am car driving.
I am car driving.
I am exercising.
I am exercising.
I am cycling.
I am cycling.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am sliding.
I am sliding.
I am doctor.
I am doctor.
I am eating.
I am eating.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am hugging.
I am hugging.
I am punching.
I am punching.
I am working.
I am working.
Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.